Someone step on my corn and never tell me sorry. Whoa, trouble again, and the world is getting nervous. Whoa.
This is the one and only King Kong.
Yes.
And it's COVID-19. How are you feeling? What's going on?
This is in my philosophy. It's a prophecy, so
Okay.
me not really we expect this.
How has it affected you though? Because I've been here quite a few times at the Soundwave studio. I've seen you in action, in there doing your dubs and thing, and out here, reminiscing and working along with your fellow colleagues. What has the COVID-19 shift been like now at the studio for you?
Well, musically, we travel, so maybe the traveling is the only thing that they don't have, but otherwise, prophecy have to fulfill. So what is happening is a part of the part where you have to pass through.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you haven't traveled?
No.
Not since?
No.
So how have you been coping?
I've done more dubs than I ever do when there's not COVID.
Okay, well then.
So, maybe God have a way how the people who you think could feel it most, maybe from a financial point of view, maybe God make them have food more abundant.
Okay, more abundant. Okay, and you're definitely one of those because you're doing dubs, as you said, more than you ever did without any COVID.
Yes.
All right. And why you think that is though? Because some persons, I'm seeing online, some persons, maybe some of the younger artists and even two or few of the older ones, they have traveled out to shows, believe it or not, and you haven't. You think that persons are connecting with you now more because of COVID-19?
I think the song that we sing, I'm a person who sing reality song, and me always try to sing for encourage, even if it's a bad situation. Me always try to find a way out in the song, telling a story, so you find a way out of what, and I think maybe that's a thing.
Definitely. I'm happy about that. I'm pleased about that. I've always been a lover of the founding era of reggae especially, and then soon after dancehall trickled its way in. Take me back to the days. What are some of the best memories you have of those times?
I think the best memories is when we're going to dance, because this is what I think messed up the music too, because we used to have sound system. You still have sound system, but sound system used to work with the artist live. So now it's more of a DJ ego than the music itself, because we used to come around the sound, and then we would definitely, to make it nice, the entertainers, the DJs, the artists would perform
right
at a
there
certain
on spot.
time. Yes.
Okay.
And sometimes you have a new lyrics and you hear a rhythm and you try it on it and the crowd respond.
Just like
and then
that.
you go to the studio and say, I have to record this because last night everybody go crazy.
Okay.
So it helps you to harmonize everybody as one. But now it's just the DJ do things for him or for the sound, and him come around and him, him love that vibe, because him getting, I don't know what the artist would get. The DJ want that.
You mean the selector?
The selector and the person on the mic. So it transforms from getting, say you as an artist come tonight with a new song, everybody listen, wow, she said she make this in the bar today or under the tree. Now it's just, Harry come and him are the best and him are this
drop sound, money pull up and
it's no more that message, even though message could be running when he's playing, but I'm saying it's not sinking like when the artists come and say, everybody tonight, so and so. We're gonna do this. If you love God, put up your hand. Let me see everybody put them up, and don't you pray this morning, blah blah. Me have a true name, pray for me now. I'm gonna pray for the world and make the world a better. You know, just create a vibe, then people go home with, you know, something.
So you're
It's
saying
more,
that was basically the artist's job at that time to
to make the people to bring bring that.
And the shift of the mic man now.
Yeah, they take that away from the artist. So it's very it's getting to what you see now. It's more when you go to a dance.
Could we say it's more inclusive
aggressive
now of everyone, because everyone is playing a role. The man who mix the tune, the man who maybe even pack up the sound box, I don't know. Plus the artist, is it everybody coming together now to make one phenomenal entertainment?
No, because
segment?
the artist is out of the picture.
Is the artist out of the picture?
The artist out of the picture. They may play to dub plate with the artist. You have to play the artist song, so the artist there. But the presence of the artist is very important.
Okay.
In the movement of this, the culture.
Which is the dance hall.
Yeah, the
in
presence. Yeah, the presence of the artist is very important because they get a message. They want to see the person who send that message. They you know, they are more receptive to the movement and things like that. Okay. So you find that the youth would listen a Bob Marley or come at a Ray and then him say, oh, me have to go read the Bible, you know, me have to go think about, you know, because him get a message. Yes. So now you may come and it's a message, but it's more aggressive way of, even though it's like joke, you know, but it's serious to some people who hear the music. They don't take it for joke. Okay. Whatever you sing about, whatever you do, whatever you say, they take it as that's gospel. What you right. When you keep a dance and you say stirgraph a play, right? And 7, 8, 10 artists go to the dance because stirgraph is playing and we can sing on the mic. Okay. Fine. So this is what made the difference. The selectors now, they play certain song, what they want to play. When the artists come there, you have to play to the level of the artist. You know, like we, you know, Daddy Rai come in the dance, Dennis Brown come, Ray. You're not gonna play King Kong because King Kong is a later earth, you know. That's what you say. Yeah, just an example. That's so you're gonna play some vibration for Daddy Rai, so you will be in Daddy Rai hero. Who come get a chance? Who's get a turn? Could it be? Because if Daddy Rai come in and anybody artist come and so and so, yes. Right, and then must come in and Ray the vibe. Heal up the man upon the mic and bust 3 of him song them. Right, but now we have a dance and if the artist not really invited him now come because it's not the real thing happening, you know? Well, the generation gap, the sound selectors then change the thing, so it's more commercial, it's more money. The radio announcers the same thing. They, if you don't pay them, they don't play the music. So who pay the money, they get the music to play. So it's totally change. Is it a form of marketing? Could it be evolution? Could it be changing with the times? Or well, the great things is if you have to speak the truth, nobody wants to say. Because when you're an artist, you're inspired by your surroundings. Yes. You're also inspired by divine inspiration. Yes. Many of our artists today are not real artists. They are inspired by want to this look, you know? Hype and money and likes and so these artists now, the message is totally different because they will sing what happened this morning at their gate. You know, kill the woman and then this and that. Yo, me need a big gun for boss because me have to get me have to, you know, because that is what happening in their surroundings. Okay, I see. While you have a true artist now, That's happening, but that don't tickle his brain.
Him twist it in a
Yeah,
different
because I
way.
want to say we gotta find a way to survive.
Absolutely.
No matter how the really time is alright. Don't really think about the things that you see. Got to believe that there's a better way
King
for
Kong,
me. You know,
I
so
agree with
that
you.
is the kind of thing.
I see what you're saying. So it could be the same inspiration from the crime or the what have you that happened earlier, but it's how you sing it,
bring
how
it
you
over,
write it,
right?
how you bring across
Yeah,
the
because you have to
message.
be intelligent.
You have to
You
be
can't
intelligent.
you can't influence the next person to become like what you just
Right.
see. You find that the roots people more stay away because nobody invite them no more.
Oh Christ.
Nobody want this kind of music
Just
to play.
because of how the music
The
is
radio
being played.
again is the next thing.
Oh,
You know, they are the one that create the problem.
they are the ones.
Yes. They don't play reality people who sing about what bad oppression may be facing whoever. They don't like that.
They play about the party.
They like
and
about
the
drugs and
drugs.
guns and sex and she look pretty, she look good, cock
it's
it up.
pure of that.
Yeah, this and they beep out the bad words as
but
if
it's still
people
the
are
same.
eating. Yeah, me have to chop that because she have a fat. So watch it now. It go up on the radio. Me I go chop that because she have a fat. Boop. Me call it. What's that? Everybody know we are gonna chop that. You know what you say. So it's like you're playing with people's mind, and then you play it and said we beep it out while people know. So it's hypocrite.
Hypocrites.
You know. So these are the people that mess up the thing
Oh.
because they play one bag of wasting that make no sense.
Some persons are saying that it's the Jamaican audience who want it because if them never love it, there would be no reason to play it. Could it be that?
No, it's not so what the audience people take what listen. 88% of the population is follower. 12% is leaders. So if you give them whatever 80%, 88% gonna follow that.
I agree with
If
that
me
too.
print something now and say upside down, I
Yeah.
can run the place.
Yeah.
And me put it on and two man buy it and them say upside down. The whole of Jamaica full of upside down.
That is true.
Because them a follow the fashion.
They're
And that are the
following.
new thing.
Sheep
Yeah.
is what they are.
Right.
Okay, how can we bring back things to the way it was? How can we get the radio stations to play more optimistic, positive and uplifting songs without saying that them beep it out? How can we get the artists to be inspired not by only what they see but bringing it across a particular way because they want things to change?
It have to be.
How can we change that? What
It
can
have
we
to
do?
be in the artist, you see. You can bring something out of a person that's not in there.
Yes.
So we have to search like back in the days when me used to go studio. Derek Morgan was the first person where auditioned me, you know?
Okay.
And me have some song
Yes.
in the 70s. It was a cover to this song where a long time I sing and I no sing no him. You know? And me say, a long time I live and I no get no work. Give me one fuck, make me dig up the earth. I want to farm up the land. And them I say, go agriculture with a song that them wouldn't take it, blah, blah. It's where you are have inside, you know? So even though me like imitate a man's song, but me flip it to a boom, bam, boom. And so it's what? So the industry have to search for what they want. So what they give you, that's what they want. But I think the society itself should have a protocol. And it should have a platform. Like Bob Marley, I mean, look how them fight Bob Marley. Them wouldn't play a Bob Marley on radio because what? Truths and rights and justice. Because there is corruption. Them love corruption.
But no.
You know, it's the same thing. That's what causing the problem, the corruption. And I really think that if we love each other as a person, like how you love your daughter or your son, and we share that love there with each other, everything good. Because that's the thing there. I mean, this COVID make we see that people are more important than anything else. You know?
Else.
Yeah, so I think we shouldn't just love each other and move on to another level. Yeah, man. So just more love and blessing.
Perfectly
and
said.
Look out for some new things.
Look out for some new things from King Kong.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
want you take you out with one of your other song them you know. Cause the youth them need to know who King Kong is again. Hit it!
In a this a rumble jumble life, poor people pay the sacrifice. In a this a rumble jumble life, bro, man I cook some food and it can't taste nice. It's a, yeah man.
Yeah, man.
More love.
More love. Keep it locked to Ramona Samuels TV, another exciting edition of COVID-19 and reggae music. One love.
Oh. Well, this is King Kong and I'm live, and I would like you to love, like, and share. Ramona Samuels TV is live on YouTube. Share and like, and it's hot and kicking.